One of the services we offer with Aftermarket is training on how to maintain and take care of your beds. As we all know, there is frequent overturns at airports. So you may have a bed and the people who were there originally may no longer be there. And you may have a whole new group of people who know nothing about how to maintain, take care of, protect, and look over this bed. So what we do is we come in and we have a two-tier class. We have a basic beginners class, which just covers just your very, very, very low level basic type of maintenance. When you should do inspections, what that should look like, what you should be looking for. And then on top of that, we have a second level tier, and the second tier is more of an advanced class. That's going to be more for your supervisors, your airport operation managers, those higher level people who really need to deep dive into the EMAS systems, how they work, how they function, and how you need to maintain those, and what kind of plan that you need to look at so that when it comes to paying for repairs, when it comes to paying for materials, you can get ahead of the game so that you are planning and get that budgeting in place.